Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to go over these LeAnn Cleyera from the Southern Living Plant Collection. I just planted 5 of them in this front yard bed. There was a big red maple here that was diseased and had to go earlier in the year. And I've been working on redoing this bed since. I planted the serviceberry right here in the middle of the bed. And there's 3 Radiance Abelia right here. I've planted some Clethra over here. I've got videos on my channel for most of what's gone in here. Where the camera is actually sitting is pretty much annuals and perennial color down to the street, which is right behind the camera. But I needed something else that was just kind of green in this bed. Sometimes you just need something that's dark green. Other things are going to sleep. Perennials I had here dying to the ground. The only thing left was evergreen here were these Radiance Abelia. So I was just looking for something green. LeAnn is a really beautiful Cleyera, probably my favorite one in the Southern Living Plant Collection, and they have quite a few, including a couple variegated ones, Romeo and Juliet, one called Bigfoot, which there's a video for on my channel that's planted over here on the edge of the yard. LeAnn is my favorite because it just grows super compact, has what they call maroon new growth on it, but really at the peak of growth in the spring, it's almost red. This thing gets 10 to 12 feet in height, and people are going to go, why would you plant something that gets 10 to 12 feet in height, you know, in a space where you can only maybe have something 3 or 4 feet? It's going to be years and years that I can maintain this plant 3 or 4 feet tall. There will come a point, you know, probably in a decade where these are probably going to outgrow this space, but between now and then, they're going to look absolutely fantastic, and they're going to be a backdrop. They're kind of split the bed. I put them on a curve here, and they kind of split the bed where I can use them as a backdrop here for color this direction and a backdrop here for color, you know, on this side as well. And giving something a green backdrop a lot of times will allow variegated things to show up better, you know, gold foliage things, flowering things, you know, just a backdrop. These are hardy in zone 7 to 9. The foliage is just beautiful on these things year round. They come back around to that maroonish color in the winter time. And then, like I say, the new growth in the spring is almost reddish. And then it holds that as long as it's growing. Sometime by midsummer, kind of a green ball, which is just what I'm looking for this. These Cleyera will flower, and these actually have a few small, tiny little flowers on them now. They're super insignificant, so we're not going to call it a flowering shrub, but it does flower. Technically, it does flower. Again, this is LeAnn Cleyera from the Southern Living Plant Collection. I think it's a fantastic plant. Most of you, I think, would buy this plant as a screening plant. If you're in zone 7 to 10, this is an ideal screening plant, kind of underused. Perfect, tidy thing that you can probably keep 6 to 10 feet in height. Stays full to the ground, which is another thing sometimes we struggle with on evergreen shrubs. At the bottom, you know, third will thin out. This one you can prune off the top in the late winter if you need to. That'll force some new growth at the bottom, and it will keep them full. Fertilize them in the late winter at the same time. That's it. Nothing else to do on these. This is LeAnn Cleyera. Thanks for watching.